Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who screenshotted your BeReal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So they just simply notify all the users in the BeReal if your post has been screenshotted. So it might notify you in different way depending on what device you own, like iOS or Android. Let me explain for both so you can identify it. So you're going to open up your BeReal app right over here. Once you open up your BeReal on your iPhone itself, I'm going to tap on ask app now to track. So you have to allow notification, so when you get any notification including the screenshotted, so you can get it. Open up your BeReal and go to simply your recent post. Once you go to your recent post from over here, you will see a number next to the BeReal photo that you have uploaded, indicating the number of screenshots that has been taken, right? And to see who specifically screenshotted your BeReal, you just need to share the BeReal post with someone so you can see who has specifically screenshotted it. Now for Android, you're simply going to open up your BeReal as well, go to your recent post and view it. You will find a yellow shutter icon next to the BeReal photo, and all you gotta do is tap the shutter icon to see a list of names of users who has screenshotted. That's how you will be able to see. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.